hot right now.
Nobody not hotter than me. Even my son not hotter than me. Saying, I one brown man, one silk. Dancehall destined king. Me are the new king for dancehall. Them not have the style I have, them not have the vocals I have, them not have the sauce I have. And silk name a buzz. So.
And I things like them me sing like song like this. Tell mommy no worry. Things take a little time, not do it in a hurry. We are on the field of my favorite hills. We are talking money. Let me see all I wanna like bad mind. Sing the part for me. I'm the failure.
One song can't run dancehall. So you see the mentality they want me see somehow no have no cut that. So all who are chat, one song can't run a game. Enough of these artists right now, we say them a big artists, if you check them page, a one hit them have. One single hit.
How many hits you have?
Mankind, Sorry, Black 17 and Brie, Geet where me have 28 hits as a 24-year-old.
Of course then, you know you did the whole thing with you and Joshy. Would you ever clash again?
Any artist run up on silk now no career, so tell them that brawling.
Yeah.
Anyone run up on me now no career, cause me not afraid of nobody, you know, Jeffrey. Me, we see also, not afraid of nobody, and me we dead for what I stand for. You understand, fam? So any artist run up on silk, career a rub out.
Immediately.
Immediately. Me not no pardon for nobody, whether you're a big artist or you have a bigger fan base than me. Once you call me name, me I come for your head and me I come for it with full force too.
For man call your name.
Yeah.
And me know you as a clash artist from Unruly Clash, them days there. Now I mean a Bun Up Road.
Yeah.
And a man call your name now. Why not answer, why not even pursue? Go at that.
Alright, dancehall is dancehall music, you know, bro. And we have to use strategy and thing in a dancehall music also, you see, you can't just be a fool, you see me? And we can't, remember saying, bro, me say to Miller, say, yo, we are talking about 450, Silk Bass, Josh and, you see me, them and the Skeng. Just pray the name them I'm call and pray who they on the show tonight and pray who is not, you see me? So when you fall off, brother, you can look at me for help, bro. Not because me I get to youth era, bro. Dancehall have different era, bro, you see me? Every man for themselves in a dancehall, bro, is it?
Yes. 28.
Alone playing the day I come. Feel me tears down my head, that's why me never left my gun. Confusing on my brain, and me not know where to turn. On the lonely road I walk a while, we so we me grow. Cool out the place like fire, fire. Still I smoke weed and me can't stop. Hold them at up and start play dada. Cool out the place like fire.